Today's castration day. This little fella just not growing the way he should be. As you can see, he's all scoured up. Don't have enough cattle to have a crush, so I run him in behind an old pallet. Put a kickboard in so he doesn't kick me. First thing to check that he's actually got 2 testicles. The way he's grown, he may not have. But, yep, he's got 2. It's basically a rubber ring over a pair of pliers. Squeeze it apart. Put his testicles through there, close it back up. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Not so much so in practice. Plus he's got all that poo hanging off his tail. It's not making it easy for me today. Anyway, a little bit of work. On it goes. Double check. There it is, hanging up there, beautiful.